Hey, what's up everyone? Watch this video here for Wednesday, January 15th. Showing you this buy. Pretty narrow range today and ended up closing about where it opened. Let's go into what we're watching for tomorrow. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. INPX, I don't know how to describe this chart. They announced a reverse split up here and then it completely tanked. Just a bizarre chart. So this, in theory, fell from 29.25 all the way down to below 4 in about a week after the reverse split. I don't know. It's insane action, but it did have a nice spike today and a record volume, a recent record volume anyway. So I got to watch it tomorrow. Maybe some shorts caught. Closed at 565. I don't know. It topped out at 609. I'm going to watch it. I'm not in love with it, but I think it's worth watching. We had a couple trades in it today. As a matter of fact, I think Wayne called this over 496. I'll show you the setup. I kind of go to 2-minute candles here. So here it topped out at 495. Came back down. Let me make sure I have that right. Yeah, came back down. He called it long over 495 here. And it ended up going almost a buck. It went to 589. Really nice call by Wayne. Couple afternoon calls in it too. I called it over 570 kind of late in the day, and it went to whatever it was, 609 or whatever. There's the daily again. So we're going to watch it tomorrow because of that big volume. BGFV, let me pan out. This is Big 5 Sporting Goods. You had a pop back here that topped out at 395, and then today went through that pretty nicely on even lower volume than on that day. So I do think this is a pretty good chart setup for a possible continuation day tomorrow. SDC, relatively new issue. Looks like it went public back in September. Nice gap up today. A lot of shorts in the name. Closing well off its highs though. It hit 1225 before closing at 1170. But we're going to watch it because nice volume, pretty strong day. Tilray, big breakout today. This was on the watch list coming into today. All the pot stocks were, and this one absolutely ripped. And speaking of Wayne, he called this one long right here. Second mouse through 18 with an ad over 25, over 18.25 that is. And it went all the way up to 21.60 from his 18 call. So like a 3.60 a share move, $3.60 a share on a 20-cent stop. Wayne's been absolutely on fire. So if you've been missing chat lately, he alone is worth logging in for. He's really seeing the market well right now. And I'll still say this, best trader I've ever seen. That's Tilray. Cron is another pot stock worth watching. Looks like it hit right around 8 back here. 805, then back here, 796, and then today, 793. So certainly through 8 with volume, especially if the pot stocks continue. That one's worth watching. IRIX, really big volume spike and a strong close. Worth noting that big volume spike still barely hit 1 million shares. So that tells you it's a thin stock, but we're going to watch it. CPAH had a massive move here, and then a kind of a follow-through day, but then a reversal the second day and another red day. So I kind of, the way I look at it, massive move, couple red days on declining volume, a pretty good setup for a turn tomorrow. We'll see, right? TRIL, another red day today. This one had another one with a massive move, and now you're looking at 3 red days in a row on declining volume. No trigger on it today. We'll watch it again tomorrow. Overstock. Who would have ever thought this would make the list again? But a nice pop about a week ago, sideways, and then a secondary pop here. I like it for a red to green tomorrow, or any of the other setups that we teach. Pinterest, PINS, nice breakout of this island that it had down here, kind of up into this gap now on strong volume. We'll look for a follow-through day there tomorrow. Couple more. PRPO, big spike back here. Might not look like much, but it went from 181 to 283. Came back down, straight sideways, and then a little volume spike and a fairly strong close. We're going to watch that one tomorrow for a follow-through day. And then CETX, nothing interesting about this chart whatsoever. But in after hours, it's trading at $1.70, so a possible gap and go tomorrow. That's it. That's all I've got. We'll add pre-market gappers to the list, and teamwork's been fantastic. Let's keep it going. We'll see you in chat tomorrow.